Be the owner of your own clothing line sounds like a dream, but how do you make that dream a reality? Welcome to my channel. In today's topic, I will be teaching you how to make money by starting a clothing line business. 1. Identify a need in the clothing market, such as looking for market trends to know what customers need or want to buy. 2. Pinpoint your target audience by describing your ideal customer in details. 3. Create a business plan for the first 3 to 5 years of your clothing line. 4. Create your brand identity by choosing a name and logo that appeal to customers. 5. Raise funds to get your business off the ground, such as having enough capital to purchase materials and register your business name with state and local government. 6. Design your clothes for production. 7. Find a clothing manufacturer that executes your vision and support your values. 8. Pick a price point for your items and distribute your clothes through multiple avenues. 9. Make your products by building awareness with social media, digital ads, and email campaigns. 10. Scale up your business as demand increases. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and click on the bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.